Chapter 8: The Psychology Behind Stock Investment. Stock market investment is for everyone who has the willingness and the patience to learn the art of investing in it. People from all backgrounds and professions like computer professionals, teachers, architects, designers, astronauts, homemakers, students, artists, restaurateurs, etc. can learn how to invest in stocks. Stocks are the short money multiplier, as I always keep saying, provided you know how to play the game. But a stock investment has a lot more to it than just trading, which you will understand once you read further. You would be surprised to see how much fun and exciting you would be surprised to see how much fun and exciting it is to learn how to observe, analyze, and react to the stock market. Learning how to invest in stocks will make you much wiser in your investment deals. It will increase your chances of churning wealth by many folds. The more you try to understand how the stock investment works, the more intrigued it makes you. The psychology of a naive investor. The following is a list of common beliefs from the world of investing. Check whether you carry them too. Number 1. You look at the stock market investment like a money-making tool rather than looking at it as a means to create wealth. Number 2. You have low risk-taking ability. You prefer to invest in low-priced stocks, assuming lower risk involved, without knowing the credentials of the company. Number 3. You operate from fear psychology and refrain from investing in high-priced stocks, even if those stocks are promising due to the fear of loss. Number 4. You believe in selling off shares too early because of the fear of losing money in case the market fluctuates shortly. If yes, then there is nothing to worry about, as these beliefs come naturally when you start as a stock investor. But lucky you to have picked up this book, as despite being a novice, you would see how experienced world-known investor approach stock investment. The psychology of a smart investor. The smart investor has burnt his fingers already by losing in the quest to earn more. It is this experience of losing money which turns a naive investor into a seasoned investor. The wise man on earth said that there are always two ways of learning. One is by making mistakes and learning from them, and second is by learning from the mistakes made by the others. But intelligent people always tend to learn from the mistakes made by others. So you must initiate the wiser of lot and learn from their experiences. Here is what you need to learn. The points below are crucial to remember as you start your journey as an investor. You may take them as thumb rule. Number 1. Before investing in any stock, you need to do a detailed fundamental analysis of the company. It is the best and the most reliable way of investing in stocks. Number 2. Your next door neighbors or your well-meaning relatives cannot be your investment advisors ever, though they are the one who are the most convincing and influencing. They cannot be your best financial advisor always. And you may not agree to it now, but after you have finished reading this book, you would agree that you are your own best financial decision maker. Number 3. When you invest in stocks, you attentively read all the news related to those companies. But just in case you come across a piece of information that appears to be an insider information, then be sure that it is deliberately made public. A retail investor can be assured of the fact that if insider information has reached him, it is because it was intended to reach. Number 4. The electronic media, financial dailies, And online portals are not information driven, but they are instead hired to keep making constant noise. Another way of putting it is that the media disguise noise as information. The intent is only to keep you hooked. By the way, have you ever pondered that these news channels have been around for 20 years, which means they must have made you the master of stock investment by now. But have you come anywhere close to learning the basics of stock investment? Unlike in science, there is no fixed formula in stock investment to make profits, nor you can control the key factors to get the desired outcome. So the stock market gains cannot be calculated in advance using any fixed formula or equation. The stock market investment is an art that needs to be learned with experience and knowledge.